This is SingSpeak, and this is the starting of the project, of course.
Yeah, so we have our project running. We have our data just being uploaded to ThinkSpeak. We taped our sensors to the tank, and we just have them here getting our reads. We currently have 2 gallons of water dumped in, and they're just sitting there. We plan on dumping more and more, and then once it gets filled out, we're gonna finish our presentation with letting it out through the valve. We're also gonna dump in like a couple of
Vinegar.
solutions like vinegar and food coloring, so that we can see the different levels.
And we have salt as well. So you'll see it here. So he's gonna pour it in.
Oh, show them the base.
Yeah.
Right here.
So we have the electric conductivity, the water pressure, and the pH right here, from left down and to the right. So you're gonna see. So we're thinking that the water has some crazy stuff in it because it's a little higher than the regular water. And we're getting a 9 rating instead of a 6 to 8.5. Okay, so you're gonna see right here.
The pH level shot up because we added a show on the food coloring. So we added the food coloring to it, so the pH level shot up, as you can see here on ThinkSpeak. And also the electric conductivity shot up as well. And then now we're just gonna wait for it to level up.
So it's every 15 seconds. It's a new data upload. Yeah, I was just gonna show them.
Yeah, you can see as like the pH level is starting to balance out a little bit, and the conductivity itself is going to balance out. And so the conductivity initially shot up so much because Esteban's hand was in it as well. So that's going to take a minute to balance out.
Website, it has a default of 15 seconds, but if we were to pay, we could go down. So we're gonna put in the vinegar.
We're gonna give it a sec.
Okay. We're gonna wait.
We should be salt.
We're gonna add salt. Okay.
Conductivity shoot up.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, you can see that EC shot up because we added salt.
Yeah.
So we added salt to the mixture, so the electroconductivity shut up, and then the pH level is going to go up a little bit as well. And you can see it here. Sure. So you can see here that the pH goes up, and then your where's the EC? And then the EC value also goes up as well. From what was it? You're gonna see the next reading on it. Yeah. So
92.
yeah. So it went up to 8.9, and it went up to a 9. It's gonna continue to rise as it levels out.
The serial monitor updates every 3 seconds, and the value every 15 for ThinkSpeak. So let's just wait. So that was the salt. He's gonna put in the vinegar in a second. Let's see, 1 sec.
So you wanna show him this first. Yeah, you can dump a little bit more. Oh, that one.
So as you know, we have the ping pong ball with the pressure sensor in the bottom.
So you can see here is the conductivity is gonna shooting up right now.
Mm.
So it takes a little bit for it to balance out because of the changes, and Esteban's might be mixing with his hands as well. So, but you see that the conductivity is balancing out right now. So it initially shot up because we added the water, but now it's going back down since we added the vinegar to it.
Okay. Oops. So the EC is going down a little. It's gonna level. So we're gonna dump more water and we're gonna incorporate the valve now.
Two more gallons.
Yep, 2 more.
We'll dump a little bit more.
You guys want to hold this while I get more water?
Pressure shot down. Just make sure you keep it.
Okay, so as you can see,
Here you go.
so as you see here, the pressure shot down. So if our pressure is going down as the water is increasing because of the way our pressure sensor is set up. So our pressure sensor is set up inside a ping pong ball. So as you can see, I don't think you saw before. Yeah, you can see the ping pong ball at the bottom there. So basically, what is happening is as the what do you mean?
There you go. Now you can see it.
Oh, so what was basically happening is as the pressure inside the ping pong the BMP sensor we have inside the ping pong ball measures amplitude and pressure. So as the water is building up around it, it thinks the amplitude is decreasing, so the pressure itself also decreases. Ideally, what we wanted was the pressure to be going up because that's what it's reading, but we realized that it's going down since it's reading that the amplitude itself is decreasing. So we use that decrease to gauge how much water is in it versus the increase per se.
So obviously pH level and EC level goes down because the solution is less concentrated because we've got more water.
Yeah.
I don't know if you can hear me.
You say it?
I don't know if you want to repeat it just in case.
So the pH and the EC is going down.
So yeah, the pH level and the EC level are going down since we added more water to it.
Concentration.
So since the concentration goes down essentially.
We'll dump a little bit more.
So we're gonna dump more water here.
And then now we have 6 gallons. Right? Around there. Should go down a little bit more.
And as you can see here, the EC levels shot down since we added way more water to it. So before, like ideally when we were at 2 gallons, it was about 10 on the electric conductivity reading, and now it's at 5 because the concentration went down. And you can see it here as well.
Yeah. Cool. So Juday's gonna get the valve going. So this is the back end. How it's all set up. Is this connected?
in this line.
Oh yeah, it's starting. Cool. So
So we
It's
just have a
on.
wire pop out.
it's gonna be turned on and off by user input. So this is gonna be turned on and off by user input through its code.
So you want to turn it off or something?
So yeah, I can just upload it. If I want to turn it off, I just change it from high to low. Make it show when they turned off.
Yeah, so it turned off.
You want to turn it back on?